Hello everyone, this is my response for discussion 6, and in this chapter, chapter 25, we've learned a little bit more about reports, specifically the bounce rates. Now we have learned a lot about bounce rates over the course of the semester. Bounce rates in specific are how a visitor may come to your site and leave immediately without any kind of engagement. So obviously the lower the bounce rate you have, the better. You do want your visitors to engage with your website as much as possible. And usually if you have a lower bounce rate, that means that traffic is being directed toward more of the engaging pages where visitors are going to mess around a little bit. They're going to want to see what else your site has to offer, compared to a higher bounce rate where people are just legitimately going to bounce after they see the first page they land on your website. The other interesting thing we learned about this week is about Tableau, or Tablia, I believe. I'm sorry if I mispronounced that, which is a business analytics tool. And we did learn a little bit about the different types of charts that we have available to use. I'm actually taking another course, Enterprise, IT Enterprise, where we've actually been learning a little bit more about charts as well this past week. And there are obviously different types of charts, and while they can represent the same data, some are better than others for certain things. So, for example, pie charts are most commonly used for things like determining market share, or like literally your piece of the pie, or your bar charts, which are better for comparisons and so on. So, there's definitely always a chart out there for any kind of comparison of data. It just they do better at different types of representations. Like I mentioned, the pie chart being better at doing market shares than, say, a bar chart.